Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with our today's session. My dear friends, in today's session, we will learn Gujarati phrases for tourists. And in that, the topic is dating. My dear friend, this is first part and the second part will come soon. The very first sentence is Hi, I am single. In Gujarati, હું single છું. I am repeating. Hi, I am single. In Gujarati, હું single છું. Okay. And if you want to have a pure Gujarati word of single, then you should say હું એકલો છું. I am repeating. Hi, I am single. In Gujarati, હું એકલો છું. Now, eklo word is for male. If that some girl is saying, then for female the word is ekli. Okay, I'm repeating. Hi, I am single. હું એકલી છું for female. So, if this sentence is saying by male, then it will be હું એકલો છું. And for female, it will be હું એકલી છું. Alright. The very next sentence is I am looking for a relationship. In Gujarati, હું relationship માટે જોઈ રહ્યો છું. I am looking for a relationship. In Gujarati, હું relationship માટે જોઈ રહ્યો છું. So guys, if you see in this sentence, I am looking for, it means હું જોઈ રહ્યો છું. In this sentence, I am looking for. It means હું જોઈ રહ્યો છું. And for what? For a relationship. So the relationship we are keeping as it is while you are talking with your date partner. Or if you want to have a pure Gujarati word for this sentence, then you can use હું કોઈ ખાસ વ્યક્તિની શોધમાં છું. The pure Gujarati sentence will be હું કોઈ ખાસ વ્યક્તિની શોધમાં છું. I am repeating for you. I am looking for a relationship. So in pure Gujarati word, the sentence will be હું કોઈ ખાસ વ્યક્તિની શોધમાં છું. This way you can use a perfect Gujarati sentence if you want to convey such a message in Gujarati. Alright, I am repeating one more time both the sentences. I am looking for a relationship. હું relationship માટે જોઈ રહ્યો છું. Or you can say હું કોઈ ખાસ વ્યક્તિની શોધમાં છું. Are you getting me? Perfect. Let's move to the next sentence. I would like to see you again. In Gujarati, હું તમને ફરીથી મળવા ચાહું છું. I would like to see you again. હું તમને ફરીથી મળવા ચાહું છું. So, my dear friends, in this sentence, I would like to see you again. So, you can say in Gujarati, હું તમને ફરીથી મળવા ચાહું છું. So, in this sentence, see you again, it means ફરીથી મળવા. In this sentence, see you again, it means ફરીથી મળવા. And for I would like, it means હું ચાહું છું. I'm repeating. I would like, it means હું ચાહું છું. And for see you again, we can say ફરીથી મળવા. Alright? It's very simple. The very next sentence is I think I am falling for you. In Gujarati, મને લાગે છે કે હું તમને પ્રેમ કરવા લાગ્યો છું. For male version. Okay? I'm repeating. I think I am falling for you. In Gujarati, મને લાગે છે કે હું તમને પ્રેમ કરવા લાગ્યો છું. If this sentence is saying by a male. Okay? So in this sentence, I think it means મને લાગે છે કે. In this sentence, I think it means મને લાગે છે કે in Gujarati. And for I am falling for you is equals હું તમને પ્રેમ કરવા લાગ્યો છું. I am repeating. I think is equals મને લાગે છે કે. And I am falling for you, it means હું તમને પ્રેમ કરવા લાગ્યો છું. And if this sentence is saying by a female, then it will be just one only small correction you need. Instead of કરવા લાગ્યો છું, she will say હું તમને પ્રેમ કરવા લાગી છું. For male, it's હું તમને પ્રેમ કરવા લાગ્યો છું. And for female, હું તમને પ્રેમ કરવા લાગી છું. So this is the only difference. Alright? Let's move to the next sentence. Will you be my girlfriend? શું તું મારી girlfriend બનીશ? Okay, I'm repeating. Will you be my girlfriend? શું તું મારી girlfriend બનીશ? So my dear friends, if you see that shoe word, I have added in bracket. So you can straight away also say tu mari girlfriend banish. So you no need to add shoe word all times. You can straight away say tu mari girlfriend banish, like that. Alright, I am repeating for you. Will you be my girlfriend? શું તું મારી girlfriend બનીશ? Like that. Similar for boyfriend. Will you be my boyfriend? શું તું મારો boyfriend બનીશ? So if you see, there is a slightly difference where here tu mari girlfriend banish, so here mari, and for boyfriend it's maro. Okay, for girlfriend tu mari girlfriend banish, and for boyfriend શું તું મારો boyfriend બનીશ? Like that. Alright, the very next sentence is I love you. So in Gujarati, we say હું તને પ્રેમ કરું છું. I love you. So in Gujarati, we say હું તને પ્રેમ કરું છું. Or another way is હું તને ચાહું છું. Or another sentence is હું તને ચાહું છું. Thank you so much, my dear friends, to watching this video. I hope you are enjoying all videos and learning Gujarati very well. Dear friends, if you feel like this video, share with your friends so they can also learn Gujarati, and subscribe this channel to get more videos. And to say that in Gujarati, we can say મારી YouTube ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો. Thank you. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.